I'm going to be showing you how to fix the yellow tint slash display on the iPhone 12. Now, if you've ever updated your phone before, this may or may not have happened to you where your screen turns yellow. Now, in order to fix this, it's pretty simple. You just need to go into your settings real quick, and then you want to click on accessibility. So from in here, there's going to be an option that says display, so you want to click on that. And then when you go in here, you're going to have some different options. You want to scroll down right below the smart invert option or the regular invert option and click on display filters. So from in here, this is where you can fix it. So, whether it has been adjusted to be yellow, you can kind of just switch it down here. You could also turn it off, but you can see what the display is going to look like when this happens. Now, like I said, this has happened to me in the past before, actually multiple times with different iPhones. So it's actually pretty common. And I thought maybe you guys out there who are having this problem could appreciate a little tip on this. But this is where you guys would switch it up. Now that we got that out of the way, wanted to get in a little bit of that COD mobile gameplay here on the iPhone 12, put in a little bit of work. We had an update on this game recently. Also, if you guys could smash a like button on this video, I would definitely appreciate it. And yeah, so I'm going to put in a quick match here. Hope you guys enjoy it, and let's do this.
Enemy in sight. It's too close. We've taken the lead. We tied for the lead. We've taken the lead. It's too close. Fight harder. Lost the lead. Reloading. We tied for the lead. The lead. It's too close. Fight harder. We've taken the lead. I'm down. Down. Need backup. Tied for the lead. We've taken the lead. Enemy in sight. It's too close. Fight harder. We've taken the lead. Enemy UAV spotted. contact.
We've taken the lead.
Attacking from here. I'm hurt.
Tied for the lead. Lost the lead.
I'm hurt.
It's too close. Fight harder. Objective almost complete. Keep it up. We've taken the lead. We tied for the lead. Hostile sentry gun in your air.
Enemy contact.
Enemy sentry gun destroyed. We lost the lead. Heads up. Enemy UAV spotted. Care package inbound. It's too close. Fight harder. We lost the lead. Be advised. Hostile Predator missile inbound. We're failing this mission.
Enemy contact.
Friendly hunter-killer drone deployed.